Hey, friends! Look, we've got so many fruits today. Let's cut and taste them. Huh? Oh no, where are they going? There are no fruits left. Let's get them back. Oh, that's a nice puzzle. How about we put it together? We're done. Woohoo! And we get 2 fruits. This is an orange. Let's put it on the tray. The color orange was named after this fruit, guys. And these are grapes. They'll join the orange. Grapes are berries that grow on vines, and raisins are dried grapes. Pink, beige, green. Let's dig it up. We'll start with the pink sand. I think I found something. Look at this, what could it be? Guys, this fruit is a mangosteen. Let's put it on the tray, too. What's hiding in here? Do you see it? Let's check it out. It's celery. And finally, the green sand. Seems like there's nothing inside. Wrong! I see something green. Do you know what it is? Right, it's a kiwi. It's a bit sour but very healthy. A kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange. This vitamin helps you fight off sickness. These little houses are so cute. Let's check who lives here. Look, guys, it's a frog. What's next? This one. I'm opening it. It's a cow. How about checking this house? There's a pig inside. Which house next? This one! Who could live here? Huh? What's this? It's just a brown ball. Hold up, I know. It was an avocado pit. Let's put it in its place. Avocados are called alligator pears because their skin looks like an alligator's. Next house. I picked this one. There's a dog inside. How about this one? I see. It's a duck. I'll check this house next. Wow, just look at this. It's a donkey. Knock, knock, who's inside? A sheep. Just a few houses left. There's a cute rabbit in this house. And the last one. Let's open it. Yes, it's our puzzle piece. It's a strawberry. It's time to get you back. Strawberries have about 200 seeds and are the only fruit with their seeds on the outside. Hey guys, let's put you into the basket. It's a tomato. This is a pumpkin. It's an eggplant. A zucchini. You know them, grapes. It's broccoli. This is a bell pepper. It's a carrot. Yep, this is a strawberry. And this is a banana. Woohoo! Another fruit. A banana. Where does it belong? Here. Bananas can make you happy, and they also float on water. Let's open these doors and sneak a peek inside. We've got keys. The yellow key for the yellow door. There's something inside. It's a watermelon. Next, this blue door. There's something blue inside. It's blueberry. The next door, we'll need the orange key. Let's check it out. It's an apricot. Sweet apricots are actually relatives of peaches and plums. What's hiding behind this door? I'll open it with the pink key. Ah, we know what it is. These are grapes. Another door to open, using the red key, of course. It's an apple, guys. Can you guess what's in there? Let's check. This fruit is called papaya. Looks like it has a star in the middle. Papaya grows in warm places and is sweet and orange. We gotta match the halves. Help me, friends. Right, here it is. A kiwi. A banana. A papaya. This is a durian. It's an avocado. A watermelon. A strawberry. An apricot. An apple. A carambola. Great job! Look, friends, it's a durian. It's a very interesting fruit. You see, durian is called the king of fruits, but it smells really, really bad. And this is a carambola. It's also called a star fruit. That's because when you slice it, it looks like a star. It has a sweet and sour taste. Oh, just look at this. Grapes! Let's cut them for our fruit salad. And this is right, a banana! Next! Ugh, it's a sour lemon. What else should we add? Ah, an orange. Why don't we cut it too? This is a watermelon. It'll taste good in our salad. Whoa, it's our missing fruit. Watermelon. Fresh and juicy. Watermelons are full of water. That's why they're a super hydrating snack. Oh wow, we're on the farm. This is a cow. And this animal, it's a sheep. This is a house. It's a horse. And this is a rooster. Next, it's a goose. And this one is A goat! Next up, this is a pig. What do we need here? A tractor! And finally, an apple tree! We got another fruit! It's an apple! Do you know why apples are great? They help your body process food and make your immune system super strong. That's it, friends. The fruits are back. Awesome job. Thank you for your help. Bye.